We're making Grandmother Craig's stuffing today. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today, we're making Grandmother Louise Craig's famous stuffing. It's so good I had to close my eyes. And Thanksgiving wouldn't be the same without it. Grab your pen and paper. Here come the ingredients. You'll need 4 cups crumbled cornbread, 4 cups dry breadcrumbs, 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup chopped onion. Saute that 15 to 30 minutes till it's nice and tender. You can do it ahead and put it in the refrigerator. 1 to 1.5 teaspoons poultry seasoning, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 stick melted butter, 1 to 2 cups chicken bouillon, and 1 can cream of mushroom soup. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I like to start by mixing in my butter and my soup. Go ahead and put in my celery and onions. And I cook those in about half a stick of butter. Butter helps this, it really does. Poultry seasoning, there's half. And I'll do 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, because they do make white pepper. See, here's your deal. It's easier to mix in all these spices while it's still nice and liquid. Okay, here we go. A nice wooden spatula or spoon is just really nice. Now, I just kind of mix these in together. And by the way, you wanted breadcrumbs, not bread flour. So, they're still crunchy. See? And the recipe calls for 1 cup of bouillon, or homemade broth if you have it. Mix this in, see how it goes. If it doesn't seem like it's moist enough, you can always add more, but if you add it all at once, then you can't change anything. At this point, it really is like making a box of stovetop stuffing. You just put your liquid into the mix. Truthfully, I'm going to do the whole 2 cups. I'll be honest with you, I made it with 1 cup of bouillon, cooked it. It was perfect for eating right then. But after we cooled it, chilled it, and then reheated it for another meal, it was a little dry. So, I think doubling the liquid is really good. It will seem rather moist now, but because you have all those dry breadcrumbs in there and the cornbread, it's going to soak it up. You'll be amazed. You've got your 9x13 casserole pan. You've sprayed it or greased it. Put it right in. I mean, it really is that simple. Spread it out. Make it look nice. See? You just drag your spoon across in a zigzag, and that's all there is to it. Now, I think it is important to taste, just to make sure. If you don't like that, there you go. Yummo. Into your 350 degree oven for 30 minutes. Here it is just out of the oven after 30 minutes. And it looks just wonderful. Now, if you want a little bit more of a crust on this, you can leave it in for longer, or you can turn on your low broiler, about 250 degrees maybe, and just let it slowly crisp on there. And that's all there is to it. If you like this recipe for Grandmother Craig's delicious homemade stuffing, also known as dressing, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this recipe and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Your resource for great flop, flop, flop. You'll need 4 cups crumbled cornbread, 4 cups, 1 to 1.5 teaspoons poultry seasoning. Grab your pen and paper. Here come the ingredients. You'll need 4 cups cornbread, 4 cups cornbread, 4 cup. Oh my God!